Hey, this is how to make one of the most simple and best health drinks that you can make with home ingredients. It's a really good immunity booster. So you need 4 basic ingredients that you have at home, and it's very simple, very healthy. You can make it very fast. You need 1 cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, the juice of 1 lime or lemon, this is lime, 1 tablespoon of honey. You can use Manuka honey if you want a better immunity boost. The other thing you're gonna need is a clean container with a lid. I just have a mason jar here. Okay, so what we need is just to mix them all up. So we take our 1 cup of warm water, the juice of 1 lime or lemon, one tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. This is really good for digestion. So if you have digestion problems, this is really gonna help you out. Just remember to have it about 15 to half hour before you eat. You can have it 3 times a day. Okay, now the honey. And now all you have to do is mix it up. You can keep it in the fridge or just in a cupboard so the sun or light won't get to it. The solutions, the elements in this drink are gonna separate in a few hours, but all you do is mix it up again before you have a drink. All you need is a good mouthful and it's gonna be really healthy. So before you drink, just make sure you mix it up really well. Have a drink, and it's a really good immunity booster. Okay, this is the most simple recipe for it, and it really helps out. Hope this helped. Bye.